transgender, but they all are not sufficient. The India is developing, but
How is it
what about the citizen?
Brother,
The citizen,
government made the
insecure.
Government made the laws for the transgender. How can you say that they don't?
But they are not sufficient. They all are not sufficient.
They are sufficient
now.
They are sufficient, but it's a.
So why the transgender are begging on the road? Why the transgender are begging on the road? Why there is no
it's about the transgender. They don't want to study and they don't.
Why they don't want to do every transgender? I told many people who wanted to do, but because of the Indian government, because of the discrimination with them, they can't.
Your means government, because of the government they are not studying.
Yes, the government is not doing anything.
Brother, you are wrong. Completely wrong.
I am right. I am right. Prove that you will prove, na? I will say.
I am proving that.
Okay.
If a transgender admission in the school,
okay.
So government came and he tell the transgender you don't study.
The government made the laws, but why they are not sufficient? The government said
they are sufficient.
Wait. The transgender said that, and the government said that there is all equal rights. But why they are not sufficient? Why the transgender are begging on the road? Why the transgender?
There are psychology of people, but most of the people, most of the people discriminate with them. Even there, most of the time, what happens?
So why government is not doing? Why government is not doing for them?
But it's about people, citizens.
No, it's not about the citizens. If there is in the Palav, in the Delhi, if there is any school for transgender,
also you are discriminating now. You are discriminating.
No, I am not discriminating.
You are discriminating. I am telling you.
Speak.
If government is not if government have many kind of schools,
okay.
Their boys and girls are study. You tell about the government have a school for transgender. Okay. Why the government made special schools for them? Even if they are all equal, as you said that now recently.
But there is no school.
I am telling you.
There is no school. There is no
brother,
school.
let me complete.
Okay.
If there is a school,
okay.
If there is a school where boys and girls are studying, if they are also transgender studying, so why they are not studying?
But
you also mentioned that you also mentioned
transgender can study.
First let me complete. You tell about the equality in the terms of boys and girls and also transgender. Now you say
no, there is no equality. There is no equality. People are spitting on the road. People are spitting on the road. The girls have no rights to drive. The people are made and stereotype inside of them. People made a stereotype inside of them that the girls cannot drive. Girls are not sufficient to drive.
First thing you told about this, like boys and girls are studying, they should have equal. You told about this. You told yes.
I said, but I told about transgender.
Now I am telling. Now there is many schools in which boys and girls are studying.
Okay.
So they also transgender also should study.
Yes.
But now you also mentioned that the government should make schools for transgender. Why the government?
No, I said there should be rules. In my school, in the 99% of
you are taking your words back.
In the 99% of the school, there is no transgender. I am not saying fake.
Yes, you are saying that.
Do you have transgender? Do you have transgender in your school?
First thing, which I am telling you about, in your mind, you also have discrimination. You told about
No.
I am telling you.
Transgenders are not getting equal right. If the government is doing what you are saying that the government made the sufficient laws for them, why they are not sufficient? Tell me.
It's a different point.
First, no, it's a point of stick to the topic. Why you are going outside of the topic?
Oh, brother, I am in my point. First thing that I am in the topic. First thing which you told about the schools. Government should make schools for transgender.
Tell me, do you have transgender? Do you have transgender in your school? Tell me yes or no.
First my question.
Yes
give answer my question.
I will give answer on my question. Yes or no.
You told about government should make
yes or no. No, there is no transgender. There is no transgender in your school. Yes or no.
First answer my question.
Or no.
First answer my question.
Okay.
You told about the government should make different special.
No, I said that the government should also invite.
Yes, video proof. You said about the government should make the schools for transgender. In your mind, there is a discrimination about the citizens and also transgender.
I also said. First thing,
first thing, you are a child. So what about the people who are big, who are adult? They have a high level of discrimination.
You don't have the listening power. I said that if they want to make
I said that if they want to make the school. You told about the discrimination.
No, let me listen. Let me speak.
No.
So let me speak.
How I am allowed you to say? First thing you have said about this.
So I said that if the government wanted to make a transgender school,
in your mind has discrimination or not? In your mind has discrimination or not?
No, I am
proving that. So why you said about the government should make the schools for transgender?
You are not able to study and not able to listen. What can I say?
First thing, give my answer. First thing, give my answer.
Listen to me. I am giving the answer. So listen properly without saying anything.
No, I just want yes or no. In your mind have discrimination.
No, I
So
said.
why you said that about the
So I
about
am
the
proving
schools?
it. What did I say? You didn't
First,
have.
yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
So why have you said
So I am
that?
saying that what did I say? I said if the government want to make the school for them, they can make. But there is not. So the government is not even inviting the transgender to the normal schools. I
No,
said,
you
no, I said,
you didn't say that.
you are the shouting. You are shouting and saying that. So how can you?
When you are wrong, so why I'm not side?
So I also said you
that's why
are
I'm
shouting. You are shouting. So how can you will be able to listen me? I also said this.
First
I'm talking about.
thing, tell me about yes or no.
No, there is no
That's
discrimination.
why you said that. First thing,
I said that this
I
is
agree.
told.
so now you agree. You was wrong that time.
No, I also
So,
said
you also want to say that about
you
the
are shouting
discrimination.
right now. You are shouting.
So why
right
you
now.
try
You
that?
also were shouting.
That's why you said wrong thing.
No, I said the government.
You tell about the government should make schools for transgender. Why government should make different schools for them?
So I also said if they don't want to make, then the government can.
No,
government is
tell
not inviting.
about this.
Tell me. I also
First
asked
thing tell about this question. Answer the give this question.
question.
Question is that you tell about the government should make schools for transgender. So why government should make different schools for them?
Okay,
It's inequality.
So also inequality comes here. But I also said later I said that, but you were shouting.
You didn't
The
say
video
that.
proof is
You
there.
didn't say
My
that.
video proof is there.
How can you say that, brother?
Let me complete. So I said
First
I
thing-
said that. I said that.
First thing, give you answer.
I'm giving answer.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Yes.
So I said that if the government want to
No,
make
I
schools
didn't.
for
I
them-
didn't want what you said. I just want answer.
So there is no equality. There is no equality right now. So I said that the government wanted to. If the government wanted to make different schools for them and the
So why- why-
Listen to
why?
me. Listen to me. I am giving the answer. You are
If-
not able. Not able.
First thing is that if government, I accept it. If government makes a separate school for them, so what happened? People also discriminate with them.
But what did I
Also
say? Let me
yes or
complete.
no?
Let me
Yes or
complete.
no?
No, I said.
Brother, you
I
are
am saying.
completely wrong.
I am saying the video proof is there. I said that if the government is
Now you
giving
also-
the
no,
way,
first
the
thing
government
that-
want to
first
make the
thing that-
equality in
let me
them, so
complete.
the government can
But I
invite the
said that.
transgender, but they are not inviting.
You also
I
told
said
about-
this,
you
and
told
the
about-
government said that, and the government is not inviting transgender
First
to the
thing-
normal school. That's why I said that. If the transgender is feeling insecure, the government is saying that there will be no equality in between of the normal school. If we will put the transgender in them, invite them, so how they will be able to study, because everyone will discriminate, and that's why I said there should be different school if they want. If they want, you didn't say
First
that.
thing, let me now I'm going to talk about the thing which you now said is about. You said that after you already mentioned this kind of thing about the schools.
Okay, what did I say?
And
Never mind.
First
Let
thing is that
it be. Let it be.
Now
Let it be.
I am
So,
telling you.
listen
I am
to-
telling you. First thing is that also if I accepted the government made different schools for transgender.
Okay.
People are also discriminated with them. Students also discriminate them. They are different. They are different. What is the equality in which government also try to discriminate with them?
So why the other countries are able to study with the transgender? Tell me. In the USA,
No, first
in the
thing-
USA and other countries,
No,
they are
first
able
thing-
to study.
you are-
They are able to study.
First
Even
thing, tell the
though-
answer.
Listen
First
to
tell
me.
me.
Listen to me. I'm
First
giving
tell
the
the
answer.
answer. First thing, tell the answer.
What question?
My question is that about the if the government also the thing you said that means is that first thing in your mind also discrimination, even you also want to that government mind also have discrimination.
Okay. So
Why?
I'm giving answer. Listen to me without saying anything. So in the other countries, what happens?
Why you take the example of other country?
Because India is not going. India is not going. That's why I'm taking the example of the
First thing,
USA.
first
and
thing
other
tell me
countries.
answer. First thing tell me answer on this.
So I'm giving the answer. You are not ready to.
You are
say that.
just saying things.
India is not going. Simple answer is that India is not going. Taking example of US and other countries, there are the many students.
As I told you about
many
the-
students
but
are
you tell about
ready to
India-
study and ready studying with the transgender. There is no problem with them. And talking about the
First
other
thing is
countries,
that-
there are more
first thing is
sufficient
that-
roles.
why
And
are
India
we-
is not going.
why-
India is not going on any kind of place like the roads, transgender, insecurity of the girls, security of the girls. There are many
First thing is
stalkers
that
on the road.
you
There are
told
many
again.
stalkers on the road.
You are telling again
Who
thing.
the girls.
Now I am telling you. You are also saying the same kind of thing which you also mentioned before. The thing is, you are
Give me
not.
the answer.
You are
Give me
not
the
able to
answer.
give me the answer. of my-
Give me
you
the
are
answer.
not. You are not able to give my.
I answered you. You are not able. You are not ready to listen to me.
I am ready to listen to me. My question is that because of the also I mentioned it because of the psychology. That's
Wait.
most of the people want.
Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. I will listen to you. I will listen to your every point. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Also
Listen
in
to
your
me.
mind,
Okay,
even
everything.
you also want in government.
Now viewers, it's now your turn. Tell me that is that government and India is doing sufficient work for the Indians.
And
Tell me in the
also,
comments.
tell me one thing which I am saying that about the discrimination in his mind have discrimination. Even he said that about the government. If he is now he is a small child in which he has a discrimination. What about if he become adult, and what about the children? What about the people who are adult and they in their mind they have any kind of discrimination?
And tell me in the comments what did I say. So let's prove what did I say.